Let me talk about Palantir and first start with the fact that I just don't understand how Palantir is so highly appreciated by investors. I don't get it. I haven't gotten it for the last couple of years. So it's with an element of respect for where the stock's been that I'm going to share with you and try to be, if anything, just point to the valuation and say these numbers look, too high or too low. Their market cap is 423 billion, while their revenue is only 3.4 billion. So investors are paying about 120, 130 times sales. It's very expensive. You can buy AppLovin, much better ratio with better growth. I mean, I can point to a number of software companies where you'd get a better ratio. P ratio of 592, very high. Forward PE 240, extremely high ratios on PE. Again, we can look at other software companies that could call themselves an AI company that have ratios that are far better than that. Analysts think it is priced too high. It has been a terrific performing stock. I know people that own Palantir, and I call them my friends, and I'm very happy for them. And they understood why they wanted to buy into Palantir, and I congratulate them. Let's take a look at their fundamentals. The growth rate for Palantir is very good, 38%. But again, it's a low number. It's not an incredibly high number. And if you compare them to Microsoft's like 250 million in revenue. These guys are at 3.4. And there's probably at least 50 software companies that are bigger than Palantir. They have terrific margins and they cash flow, and they've been growing cash flow. So those things look good, but it's just not big enough. It's not big enough to add up to the valuation they have. I'm not the only investor out there saying, hey, the stock price is too high. There's an analyst with a price target of 45. And overall, the analysts on average think it's priced too high by 22%. Take a look at their forecast. The forecast is for them to continue to grow at a high rate. That looks really good. And in 3 years, they'll be an $11 billion revenue company, which will be a very good number for them. But the PE will continue to be very, very high. When I value Palantir, I come up with a value for this stock that is 64% lower than its current stock price. I believe that Palantir stock is worth $63.61 per share, but the market is selling the stock at $178.65 per share. So that's a 64% premium on the stock, a very, very high premium. Again, I congratulate those who invested in Palantir, but as I look at the fundamentals, and I'm not the only one, I'm pretty amazed that investors are willing to pay the high price for Palantir that they pay. And we'll see how this stock trades over the next couple of years.